Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Creating a cute money bank from a waste bottle is a fun and eco-friendly way to recycle while also making something useful. You need materials like an empty plastic bottle, a medium-sized water or soda bottle works well, scissor or a craft knife, adult supervision if needed. You need paints like acrylic or spray paint, paint brushes, markers or permanent pens. You need glue, hot glue or strong adhesive. You need decorative materials like stickers, googly, colors, paper, etc., cardboard or foam sheets for ears, wings and additional features. You need glitters, ribbons or other embellishments. It is optional. Prepare the bottle, clean and dry the plastic bottle thoroughly. Remove any labels from the bottle. Using scissors or a knife, carefully cut a slot on the side of the bottle or the cap. Make sure the slot is widely enough for coins and folded bills to fit through, but not too large. Sand the edges of the slot to make sure that there are no sharp parts. Design your character. Decide on the character or theme of your knife. You could make a cute animals like a panda, cat or pig or even a cartoon character. Paint the bottle and entire bottle with your base colors. For example, if you